Hey everybody, it's about almost 6:30 now. I just woke up from a really long nap and nothing's really happened still. Thank God. Rain's starting to come down a little bit more and just waiting to see if anything else happens or anything at all. So, yeah. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, we're gonna go take a ride now and see if we can see anything open for food and if other neighborhoods actually had any wind damage or anything from now Tropical Storm Barry. Winds at about 70 miles per hour, I think, and it's still making its way, pretty much up Louisiana. Like I said, we've been really well and blessed over here. No damage, no flooding, and not really anything except for a few tree limbs and whatnot down. So, yeah, so far so good, guys. Some more Carrollton Avenue with the vehicles on the side there. Some more Carrollton Avenue with more vehicles parked on the neutral ground, streetcar tracks. Looks like Burger King's open. That might be the winner, guys. You guys can see more cars parked on Carrollton Avenue. Burger King was closed. Cars. Sorry, I'm going fast. Hey, how you doing, man? Can I get 2 plain junior bacon cheeseburgers, a medium fry, and a plain spicy chicken sandwich?
Yo, that's really big thing, right?
Yes, sir.
Alright, I got it. You put up this second one, I got it.
Cool, thanks, man. Oh yeah, we found food, guys. We found my favorite place for food. We found Wendy's open. Winning. I am a very, very happy Jesse right now. Why, ladies and gentlemen? Because we found food. We got Wendy's. Wendy's, folks. Wendy's was open. Wendy's was open, so we're not gonna starve to death. Yeah, everybody, that's it for update number 2. I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna eat this Wendy's, I'm gonna hang out, and probably catch me an Old Smokies broadcast real soon. So thanks everybody for watching. Tropical Storm Barry update number 2, downgraded from a hurricane, and my section of New Orleans is pretty well, so thank you. Hi guys, Jesse Michael here, doing some last minute Tropical Storm Barry grocery shopping, getting some supplies, as you can see.